How to redeem Lowe's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Lowe's promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. In this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Lowe's. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo code for Lowe's. So you can scroll down and check out the offers: 20% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Copy the code, then click on redeem at Lowe's. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Lowe's. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way, you can easily redeem Lowe's promo code. You can also check out other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Lowe's. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.